Eggmas day 17? 17? 17. Day 17 of Eggmas. Cilantro all over that. There we go. Okay, Eggmas 17. I am gonna be making, oh shit, we're good, the egg is fine. I'm gonna be making egg Foo Young. Now, a lot of you guys are asking for egg Foo Young, which is why I'm making it. I'm actually surprised at what you guys are asking for. Egg Foo Young, I used to make a lot back at work, so this is gonna be a good one. Okay, so the point of egg Foo Young, literally the point of egg Foo Young is to utilize your leftovers. It was brought to America by Chinese chefs that would just utilize the leftovers to make money with all the leftover stuff they had. So it's not gonna be technically an authentic Chinese dish, but it's not meant to be an authentic Chinese dish. So you don't have to use the vegetables I'm using. I'm actually just using leftover stuff I have today. So let's see, I've got some shrooms. Here's an old bell pepper. Might use some of this cabbage. Actually, that's lettuce. Maybe some avocado too, why not? Protein of choice, I've got some leftover Christmas ham. Okay, dude, so I'm just gonna chop all this shit up. You got your old stuff, right? You're just gonna chop it up into equal sized bites. Did you know you can cut these in a circle? Check it out.
It's not brown.
It's not brown. Check out the video to see why it's not brown. We have a video on that. Everything you see here is our leftovers. I also have a video on how to crack an egg with one hand if you want to check that out. But really quickly, I always just do it on a flat surface, pinch my thumb in, and then flip it open like a bottle cap. Just like that. So what we do is we take our Japanese whisk, touch of soy sauce, touch of sesame oil, salt, and then we could just add in our other ingredients. There we go. That's ready to cook. Now, I recommend doing this in a non-stick skillet. I prefer to do it in just a regular stainless steel skillet. This is what I would use at the restaurant. Stainless steel skillet and rice oil. High heat, fast cooking. We're cooking it really fast here. All right, let's take a step back, Michael. You're in the splash zone. Egg Foo Young. Cilantro all over that. And typically this is served with a gravy. I've got this leftover turkey gravy from Christmas Day, so we're using leftover gravy too. Doesn't that smell good, dude? And maybe we'll put a little bit of chili oil all over that. Some chili crisp oil. There we go. Whoever asked for egg Foo Young, thank you very much, because I haven't had this in a long time and I really enjoy making it. If you can't flip the egg like I did, you can always just like take a plate, put it on top, and then pour it like that. There's other videos for that. Go watch those people. I just do the flip. There you go, dude. Egg Foo Young. For the thumbnail there, get a good thumbnail. Gotta put some hot sauce on it, of course. Oh, dude. It tastes like Thanksgiving. That's really good. Try that. Good, right? Mm-hmm. Smash like, subscribe.